Are you tired of your truck bed items getting soaked every time it rains, or having your cargo exposed to prying eyes? Most GMC Sierra 1500 owners face this exact problem when leaving their truck beds unprotected. Keep watching to discover how these 5 tonneau covers can solve your weather and security concerns once and for all. Check out the links in the description for current pricing and availability. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, the WHALEMOTOR soft roll-up tonneau cover offers decent protection for your 2007-2025 GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8-foot bed. It uses a straightforward clamping system that doesn't require any tools for installation, which many truck owners appreciate when they want to get up and running quickly. The soft roll-up design allows you to access your truck bed without completely removing the cover. And when you need full bed access, you can roll it up and secure it near the cab. Actually, the aerodynamic design does help with fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag, though don't expect dramatic savings at the pump. The weather resistance holds up reasonably well in most conditions. Customers report mixed experiences with water protection. Some find it keeps everything completely dry, while others mention water seepage during heavy downpours. If you live in an area with frequent harsh weather, this might not be your best option. Installation is genuinely straightforward, and the build quality exceeds expectations for the price range. Because it's made from durable materials, it can handle daily use without showing immediate wear. Absolutely, the 12-month warranty provides some peace of mind for your investment. Things to consider. The water sealing isn't perfect. Some users report leakage issues during heavy rain. You don't get the security of a hard cover, and the soft material can be cut if someone really wants access to your cargo. Moving to number 4, the Perfit Liner soft roll-up cover specifically targets 2004-2007 GMC Sierra 1500 models, including the 2007 Classic body style. It's crafted from dual-coated PVC with tear-resistant vinyl, creating a smooth surface that actually looks pretty decent on your truck. The drill-free installation process is one of its stronger selling points. You simply lay it over the bed rails and clamp it down. No complicated hardware or permanent modifications to your truck. Actually, this makes it ideal if you're leasing or plan to sell your vehicle later. Weather protection is where this cover really tries to shine. The sealed system design works to keep rain, snow, dust, and debris out of your truck bed. Because of the waterproof PVC construction, it performs better than basic vinyl covers in wet conditions. Customers consistently praise its water resistance capabilities. The Velcro fastening system holds surprisingly well, even in windy conditions. And the aerodynamic profile does contribute to improved fuel economy, though the gains are modest. If you're looking for a cover that balances functionality with affordability, this one delivers solid performance. Customer service from Perfit Liner receives positive feedback, with their team being responsive to concerns and providing solutions when issues arise. Things to consider. The fitment is limited to older Sierra models only. You don't get the premium feel of more expensive options, and the PVC material can show wear over time with heavy use. At number 3, the Amazon Basics soft roll-up cover brings the retail giant's approach to tonneau covers for 2014-2019 GMC Sierra 1500 models. It features a 6.5-foot bed compatibility and works with both 1500 and heavy-duty 2500-3500 models from specific years. The aluminum frame construction sets it apart from cheaper alternatives. Because it uses 6063 grade, epoxy-coated aluminum crossbars, you get better support and tension control compared to plastic alternatives. Actually, this prevents water from pooling on top of the cover, which can be a real problem with flimsier designs. The tear-resistant black vinyl with OE-grade rubber seals creates a decent barrier against the elements. And the snap-clip fastening system keeps everything secure during transport. The roll-up design allows quick access when you need to load or unload cargo. Installation can be handled by one person, and Amazon provides video guidance to walk you through the process. If you already have a bed liner, the included clamps accommodate most standard configurations without issues. However, the build quality receives mixed reviews from actual users. Absolutely, some customers report excellent durability, while others experience failures within short time frames. The latching mechanism appears to be the weak point, with multiple reports of it popping open unexpectedly or refusing to close properly. Things to consider. The latching system is problematic and may fail prematurely. You don't get the premium materials found in higher-end options, and some units have quality control issues right out of the box. Coming in at number 2, the Perfit Liner hard quad-fold cover represents a significant step up in protection and security. It's designed for 2004-2006 GMC Sierra 1500 trucks and the 2007 classic body style with 5.8-foot fleet-side beds. The fiberglass reinforced polymer construction is where this cover really stands out. Because it uses honeycomb panel technology, you get maximum protection that can handle up to 500 pounds of weight on top. Actually, this means you can use it as a work surface or even stack lighter items on the cover itself. Weather protection is excellent with this hardcover design. The waterproof construction keeps your cargo completely dry, and it provides better security than any softcover option. And unlike roll-up covers, the hard panels deter casual theft attempts since they can't be easily cut or manipulated. The quad-fold design gives you flexibility in how you access your truck bed. You can open just one section for partial access or fold the entire cover forward for full bed use. Installation doesn't require drilling, which protects your truck's resale value. Temperature resistance and chemical resistance make it suitable for harsh working conditions. If you regularly haul valuable tools or equipment, the added security justifies the higher price point. Things to consider. The hard panels add significant weight to your truck. You don't get the convenience of quick roll-up access, and the folding mechanism requires more space behind your truck when fully opened. Taking the top spot, the ONINE retractable hardcover represents the premium end of tonneau covers for your 2019-2025 GMC Sierra 1500. This is what you get when engineering meets convenience in the best tonneau cover for GMC Sierra 1500 category. The all-aluminum construction with IP56 rated waterproof protection puts it in a different class entirely. Because it uses heavy-duty aluminum slats with matte black powder coating, you get scratch resistance, UV protection, and long-term durability that softer covers simply can't match. Actually, the retractable design means you can open it to any position and it stays there. No flapping in the wind or awkward folding. The integrated T-slot rail system is brilliant for truck owners who use cargo accessories. And the full-width handle makes operation smooth, while the rear pull strap lets you close it without climbing into the bed. These convenience features make daily use much more practical. Installation comes with pre-installed cargo lighting, which is a nice touch for a premium product. If you're serious about protecting your investment and want the convenience of push-button operation, this cover delivers. However, some customers report road noise and quality control issues with stitching. Absolutely, the higher price point means you're paying premium dollars, and some units have failed within months according to user feedback. Things to consider. The premium price isn't justified if you experience early failure. You don't get perfect build quality consistency, and the retractable mechanism can develop issues over time that are expensive to repair. If this breakdown helped you choose the right tonneau cover for your GMC Sierra 1500, hit that like button and subscribe for more truck accessory reviews.